Interface. The whole point of Dex is that it offers a new working environment from your phone, allowing you to do word processing, PowerPoint, spreadsheet work, gaming and use myriad Android apps too. It's an impressive setup when it loads for the first time, although you'll need to wait for a few seconds when connecting the phone to the USB Type-C clip at the bottom of the dock. Once in, you're treated to a very familiar interface if you've used Windows of late. The windows resize in a very similar fashion. The dock has icons that you'll instinctively know how to use, and while the icons on the right-hand side are a little confusing, you'll work it out pretty easily. On top of that, you've got full access to your Samsung Galaxy handset within a virtual window, allowing you to reply to messages or open the apps you normally would on your device. We were able to open a Google Doc pretty quickly, simply by downloading the app, and instantly we were able to access all of our normal files and word processing options, typing out a quick doc and having it automatically saved to the cloud. One of the smaller misses on the Dex Pad is the apps. There aren't that many coded definitively to work on the larger screen from the phone, meaning you might not always get the best experience. We tried Adobe Lightroom to manipulate images, and the basics of changing color balance and lighting images wasn't too bad, and with a mouse the process was pretty rapid. It's not fully featured, and this is definitely more of a if there's no other way option, as in it's good to have, but you wouldn't choose it over standard desktop software. Some of the gaming experiences weren't that great either, with Brutal Street 2, a recommended game, not very easily to manipulate using the phone as a touchpad. Other games were slow and late when put into full screen, perhaps they weren't optimized, but again it showed that the Dex isn't really a gaming machine for those titles that work best on the smaller display.